The Remington Standard No. 2 represents an important development in typewriter history, introducing upper and lowercase typing. The original Remington, a Scholes & Glidden machine known as the No. 1, offered only uppercase typing. There was no shift mechanism. With the introduction of the No. 2 came the shifting lever, which pushed the cylinder forward or backwards so that one could type in upper or lowercase mode. Most of us are accustomed to shift and shift lock. We type in lowercase and we shift to uppercase. On the No. 2, one lowers or raises this lever for lower or uppercase typing. As you can see in this video, by manipulating this lever, one can shift into lowercase or uppercase. Now, locked in uppercase mode, one uses the lowercase key to shift temporarily into lowercase. Locked in lowercase mode, and my uppercase key is missing, but if I reach around, I can pull on it and demonstrate how the uppercase key would work so that you can temporarily type in uppercase. This is an important development in typewriter history. It should be emphasized that on the earliest Remingtons, the operator locked the typewriter in upper or lowercase typing mode. Again, this is quite different from typewriters today, where one types in lowercase mode and shifts into uppercase. But on the earliest Remingtons, this had not yet been decided, so there appears in the upper right corner the lowercase key, and in the lower left corner the uppercase key. On later versions of the No. 2 and all subsequent versions of the Remington standards, these keys would be relabeled Shift key. All this leaves me to wonder who introduced Shift lock and Shift as keys on the keyboard instead of the shifting lever mechanism that was introduced in the Remington Standard No. 2.